Hi, I'm Jaya, and I'm here to share a few quick tips on using the Scandal Feather Crop. One thing I love about this crop is that it can be wicked or nice. You can use it for sensation-based guessing games where your partner gets a reward for guessing right and a punishment for guessing wrong. I learned this one from Mistress Ivy Young. Blindfold your lover and then tell them what the game is. They have to guess the object. If they get it right, they get a reward. If they get it wrong, a punishment. You can negotiate these ahead of time. Remember to always get consent from your partner first. Use the feather crop for a nice slap to the inner thigh, or taking the feathers and grazing over their genital area. Now you have them guess what the object is. This one is a hard one because it provides two different sensations. Continue with a variety of other sensation play objects you have. For more quick tips like these, visit CalExotics.com.